Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Michael and today I wanted to showcase for you a couple of new items that I just picked up, or a couple of these new tongs that I've got here. Typically you might see in the stores, you might see these bigger ones that have the bigger tips on them. These make really good for picking up larger items and things. But if you're working on in a skillet and you're trying to turn things over, they do make little ones. These look like tweezers. The same shape that these are, they're a little bit bigger than tweezers, and you just grab your food just like that, and that way you can pick up little individual things in your pots. And then this set of tweezers is the same kind of thing. They've got little teeth kind of markings here on the bottom, and it makes it gripping a little bit easier also. So these are a couple of different pair of tongs that you might try versus these, and I can put a link in the description box if you're looking at these. I'm not being paid by any of these manufacturers to talk about their products, but I thought I would just show you something that I use when I'm cooking. You can get these needle nose tongs here that you can use. They look like little tweezers, or you can get the ones that have the little teeth grippies ends on, a little bit bigger across the bottom, and it just makes things a little bit easier. If you've got these work just as well. I hope you like this content, and if you do, maybe you might consider giving me a thumbs up and check out one of these other two videos over here. You might find something else you like. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye now.